Welcome to the Healthy Green Schools and Colleges ISSA educational track. My name is Gene Woodard, and I'm the Director of Building Services at the University of Washington, Seattle. I'm also a member of the Healthy Green Schools and Colleges Steering Committee. Being a member of the steering committee has provided me with wonderful benefits, educational opportunity, the chance to network with leading cleaning experts in the K through 12 sector, as well as the college and university sector. The educational programs, the daily sessions, are designed for leaders in the cleaning industry. The content is tailored to K through 12 and university facility directors. There'll be a virtual swag bag of exclusive offerings from our sponsors and the opportunity to win a trip to the 2021 ISSA event in Las Vegas. Cleaning and disinfecting and having a sound operational program with proper techniques, the best advantages of getting the work done is more important now than ever before. See what our sponsors have to display, meet up with industry experts, with our steering committee, and enjoy your week. We're here to support you and provide you with the information that you need to get through this most unusual time.